What's up, Anchor coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Anchor coin. What's the current price of Anchor coin? What's the price changes occurring in the Anchor coin? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Takes channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. If you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update about the cryptocurrencies market. At this time, the latest price of the Ankr coin in the market is 0.083419 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Ankr coin in the market. On the other side, my friends, if we talk about the price changes of the Ankr coin, so the last 1 hour pricing is negative, last 1 day pricing is positive, and last 1 week pricing is again negative. Only the last 1 day price changes is negative, my friends. Let me show you the price chart. My friends, the Ankr coin start jumping from the yesterday gradually, but they start jumping slowly, my friends. Not a quick jump. Slowly jumps occur in the Ankr coin, my friends. So how you can get a profit from an Ankr coin? My friends, for profit you have to hold for a long time. If you hold for a long time, absolutely you will get a profit from the Ankr coin, my friends. It is time in the last hour, as I show you that the last 1 hour pricing is positive, so this means that at this time they start moving upward. From the yesterday, the Ankr coin start moving upward. From the yesterday, the price of the Ankr coin is increasing, but slowly increasing, my friends. So that is why you have to hold for a long time, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Ankr coin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Takes channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video, my friends.